Today we're going to be installing the extreme coverage skid plate. Hey guys, welcome back to the TM Designworks channel. Today we're going to be working on this Husky and getting it track and trail ready.
This is the best full coverage skid plate with integrated link guard on the market today. Built with composite impact absorbing plastic with silicone additive to reduce friction grab. TMD skid plates are designed to allow maximum frame flex. Our skid plates are 30 to 40% lighter than aluminum and reduce the amount of engine noise bounced back to the rider. Tested and used by top off-road teams with hardware that is 100% replaceable.
That's a wrap. Simple install today on this new Husky. You can find parts like these at tmdesignworks.com. Be sure to follow us on all the socials and we'll see you out on the trail.